Estimation of nitrogen by Geldahl's method. Principle. Geldahl's method is based on the fact that when an organic compound containing nitrogen is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrogen present in it is quantitatively converted into ammonium sulfate. This solution containing ammonium sulfate on heating with caustic soda solution gives an equivalent amount of ammonia. The amount of ammonia evolved and hence the percentage of nitrogen in the compound is determined by absorbing it in a known volume of an acid, usually sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid of known strength, and back titrating. You may not understand this word, I'll explain later. It with some standard alkali. Procedure. A procedure is given in your book, but we will adopt an example for it and then we'll do the calculation. This is the procedure given. A known mass 0.3 grams of an unknown organic compound is taken in a Geldahl's flask. Please take your textbook and refer the diagrammatic representations. Then a sufficient quantity, about 25 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid is added to this flask. A little amount of potassium sulfate and cupric sulfate are added to the flask. Potassium sulfate raises the boiling point and thus ensures the complete reaction, while cupric sulfate acts as a catalyst. The flask is loosely stoppered by a glass stopper and heated gently in an inclined position. The process is known as Geldahlization or digestion. Heating is continued till a clear solution is obtained in the flask. The Geldahl's flask is now cooled and its contents are diluted with some distilled water. The diluted solution is transferred into another round-bottomed flask and excess of sodium hydroxide solution is added to it. The flask is fitted with a Geldahl's trap and a Liebig condenser. The lower end of the condenser is dipped in a known volume of a standard acid contained in a conical flask. The liquid in the round-bottomed flask is heated and the liberated ammonia is distilled into sulfuric acid. When the distillation is over, partially neutralized acid in the conical flask is back titrated against a standard alkali. The whole reaction can be summarized as follows, which gives us a clear idea for calculation.